All right. Imagine this. You tell someone a secret, and they smile and say, "Don't worry, I won't tell anyone." But the next day, you find out they told everyone. How would that make you feel?
What? I'd feel so betrayed. That person would be totally two-faced.
Exactly. A two-faced person acts friendly to your face, but does something different behind your back. It's like they're wearing a mask.
Oh, so if someone pretends to support you, but later laughs at you with others, that's being two-faced?
Yes, you nailed it. Being two-faced means someone is not genuine. They say one thing but do another, usually in a sneaky or dishonest way.
I've met a few two-faced people, smiling outside, but full of drama inside.
That's a perfect way to put it. Always better to be real than two-faced.
Hey, what's the word when someone appears unexpectedly, like this ghost? I swear, it just poofed into the room.
Haha, that's show up. Like the ghost showed up without even knocking. Rude, right?
Exactly. Show up means to arrive or appear, often suddenly, like when your teacher shows up just as you're planning to sneak out.
Oh, so when my cat showed up on my keyboard during a Zoom call, that counts.
Okay, you're having a calm chat with a friend, but then you say something they don't like, and suddenly they start yelling at you like you see in this picture. What just happened?
Whoa, that sounds like they totally blew up. Like they lost it.
Exactly. To blow up means to suddenly get really angry, like an explosion of emotions. It can happen fast and unexpectedly.
Oh, so if someone starts shouting all of a sudden during a conversation, that's them blowing up.
Yes, totally. It means they couldn't control their anger anymore. You might say, "He blew up at me when I forgot to reply to his message."
So now we know blow up doesn't just mean a balloon bursting. It also means someone losing their temper.
Hey, have you ever seen someone's face when they get really bad news or feel super serious?
Yeah, like when someone fails an important exam. Their face just turns grim.
Exactly. When we say someone looks grim, it means they look very serious, sad, or even a little scary. Like there's no hope.
Oh, so if I watch a really dark or sad movie, I might say the story feels grim?
Totally. A movie, a place, or even a mood can be grim when it feels depressing or hopeless.
Okay, picture this. You're walking through a spooky forest at night, and suddenly, boo! A glowing ghost pops out from behind a pumpkin. What's the first thing you do?
I'd probably scream and freak out for sure.
Exactly. That's what we mean by freak out. You get so scared or surprised that you lose control for a second. You might jump, scream, or even run.
Oh, so if my cat suddenly jumped on me in the dark and I screamed, that's me freaking out?
Haha, yes. You didn't plan to scream. It just happened. That's what freaking out means.
Okay, look at this image. This man must have done something wrong. And now the woman is super angry. What do you think he's doing?
He looks like he's pleading with her. Like, please don't stay mad. I'm really sorry.
Exactly. To plead means to beg or ask seriously, often with emotion, like when you really want to be forgiven or helped.
So if he says, "Please forgive me, I didn't mean to hurt you," that's him pleading?
Yes, he's not just saying sorry. He's pleading with emotion and hope. You can almost see it in his face and hands.
Haha, reminds me of when I forgot my anniversary. I pleaded just like that. Please, don't be mad. I'll make it up to you.
Perfect. When someone begs with feeling, like this guy in the picture, they're definitely pleading.
We hope you didn't just learn new vocabulary today, but also how to use these words naturally in real conversations.
If this video helped you learn something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what's one new word you learned today? Let's keep learning and growing together.